Personal Program. For additional options with Personal Program, follow these steps. Step 1. Go to the Programs menu. You will see a listing of personal programs. Select the personal program you would like to edit. Swipe left on the phone. A menu will appear allowing you to edit or delete this personal program. Step 2. Select Edit. A new menu will appear allowing you to change the name of the program, add a personal photo associated with the program, or add a specific location utilizing geotagging functionality. Step 3. To change the program name, select Change Name from the Edit menu. A list of possible names will appear. Select the name you prefer. Step 4. To change the background photo for your new personal program, select Change Photo from the Edit menu. Select Take Photo to take a new picture. Select Choose Photo to select a picture from your phone's photo library. Step 5. The Beyond hearing aids can be set to go to a specific program when entering a set location. This is called geotagging. To turn this feature on for your personal program, select Add Location. It will then show you a map of the radius that will be used to trigger this feature. When you enter this radius, the hearing aid will automatically switch to this program. To confirm this setting, select Create in the top right corner. Step 6. To hide your new personal program from the Start menu, move the Show on Start Screen slider to the left on the Edit menu. The program will only be visible on the program screen when this is turned off. Step 7. To view the settings of the personal program, select View Settings from the Edit menu. Congratulations! Your personal program is now ready. Select Back in the top left corner to return to the program menu. For more information, please go to www.whitex.com for more Beyond videos and FAQ.